I'll have the 6-ounce steak. Alright, here's that steak for you. Excuse me, this steak is not 6 ounces. Oh, it should be. Does it look too small? Are you kidding me? This is like a kid's portion. Oh, well, I'm so sorry. If you want, I can have something else made for you. I just really don't understand how you think you can pass this off as 6 ounces. Well, steaks are usually measured raw, so during the cooking process they tend to shrink a little bit, but we do measure all of our cuts out. What did you do with the rest of my steak? What do you mean? Well, if it gets smaller during cooking, what are you doing with the rest of it? No, it just shrinks. It like loses a bunch of moisture and it comes out a little smaller. There's no way that's real. Did you just make that up? What incentive would I have to lie to you about this? I don't know, because you're lazy? I'm looking it up. Be my guest. Okay, well, I'm still not buying it. Alright. Can I get you anything else? The check. And just so you know, the level of service that you've provided here tonight will be reflected in your tip. Oh, no worries. For parties of 8 and up, we apply an auto gratuity of 20%.